Today I wanted to kind of briefly give you a high-level overview of the joint value proposition between Teradici's cloud access software and Verizon's 5G Edge network. Today we'll be demonstrating our joint solution on an instance that's residing in Verizon's core network. And we're going to show you some of the network statistics that shows you how good and how capable Verizon's network is for allowing remote work to be done in the M&E space. To get started, let me go ahead and open up a connection to the instance I have running remotely. This instance and its network conditions can be shown in a piece over IP tool called the Session Statistics Viewer. One of the most interesting statistics to show you is round-trip latency, which we're showing in this graph right here. It seems to be anywhere between the low 20s and maybe a 30 millisecond area, right? So all said, that's actually a pretty good experience for the artist or the editorial in working remotely. Other statistics I wanted to highlight too is the RX and TX drop packets, which is interesting. Being on a wireless network, we're seeing very little packet loss as well. This basically shows you that Verizon's 5G network is accelerating the experience between the Teradici client and the host systems very well. So the two things that an artist will perceive latency with is both audio and audio cues and also eye-hand input. Well, I won't be able to show you audio latency, but if we were, we would basically turn on a Teradici enhancement called AV Sync that would automatically synchronize the frames with the audio with some built-in timing data. Today, instead, we're going to show you the eye-hand input latency. And what we're going to do in order to show you that is we're going to basically attach, or already have attached, a Wacom Cintiq 24 tablet. That's being represented in this video right here. Also what I have is Autodesk Sketchbook. And then basically what I'm going to do is very simple actually, is just draw some lines, and as you can see, it is a very fluid experience between the remote systems and the client that the Wacom tablet is physically attached to. There's no jittering, there's no sluggishness, and there's no perceived latency with the experience itself. Just as if it was under my desk. The experience is very much the similar and same function across the board. It's a very simple demonstration, but it does show you the value proposition of both our products working together, and that's why we feel it is the M&E is a successful vertical for us.